Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to check if your Google account is monitored by other devices. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, share, like the video and click on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Now let's swing. The first thing you need to do is to locate your settings on your screen just like this. After you locate it, it brings you here. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down and look for Google just like this. After then you click on Google. After you click on it, you wait until it loads. After it loads, you click on manage accounts up here. After you click on it, the next thing you need to do is to scroll here and look for security. After then you click on security. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down and you see here you click on manage all devices. After you click on it, you wait until it loads. After then it brings you here. As you can see it now, this Gmail account is monitored by Redmi 12C and this phone is also Redmi 12C. So your Google account is not hacked or not monitored by other devices. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Success.